Well, it's time that I try to repair this headlight for the plow that got all busted up last year plowing when I smashed into the building. As you can see, it's a little busted, just a little bit. So, what I'm gonna do is try to hillbilly rig it up, make it ghetto fabulous, as some people might say, and hopefully make it work for the winter. This is what I'm using. It's just a little cheapo from Harbor Freight, but seems to work for what I've used it for. So I'm trying to fix my plow light because it got all busted up last year. So I figured I would bring you guys along. Comes with little mesh and comes with different welding rods. Come to find that I use most of the black. That's what I use most of the time for the plastic that I've used. I had to use it on. Put another piece like right here, like this. So we'll start up here. So I'll do a review on on this repair as I plow, and we'll see how this holds up. There we go, and I'm gonna add more plastic to it. Just melt it in. Okay, now that that side's cooled down, we'll try to get this other side melted in. Like I said, I'm no welder extraordinaire when it comes to plastics. So we'll see what happens. My head's not in the way. sure it's not helping that it's cold out today. Hopefully this holds up. This is how I'm filling in this metal wire. Grab a piece of this. Yeah. Try to warm this wire up a little bit first, just to help kind of get everything to melt down. Let me put my glasses on so I can see a little better. Okay, the outside of this is as done as I'm gonna get it. Done what I could do with what I've got. That's what it looks like. I'm sure it's not a good bite since there's still glue from the duct tape and that. But like I said, did the best I could do with what I got to do or work with.